So we repeat the same procedure which we learned in the previous problem. So these points are A, all of them are A, and this point is going to be B. So between A and B, I am unable to mark any other network. So if we do the diagram, so this is A and this is B. So the first resistance, which is this one, is directly connected with B. So I say there is the first network which is equal to R. The second network, which I consider as this one, is having two resistances, so we call it as 2R. So the value is equal to 2R. The third one, which is this diagonal, is again offering the same resistance 2R. And the lowest one is offering a resistance equal to R. So now if we calculate the value of the effective resistance, then we write it as 1 by R parallel is 1 by R, 1 by 2R, 1 by 2R, 1 by R. So we can write it as by 2R, that is R parallel is equal to 2R by 6, that is R by 3 ohm. For this particular problem, R by 3, that is option B, is correct.